Hey everybody! Welcome to this English listening practice lesson. You can turn on subtitles in your language in the YouTube settings. In the description, you can find the key vocabulary from this video. Let's begin our lesson now. Today, I want to share with you something very exciting and delicious: the world of food and cooking. This topic is not just about eating, it's about exploring different cultures, being creative, and bringing people together. First, let's talk about the basics of cooking. Cooking is the process of preparing food by mixing ingredients and heating them. There are many ways to cook food, such as boiling, frying, baking, and grilling. Each method gives the food a unique taste and texture. For example, boiling makes food soft, while frying gives it a crispy outside. Now, onto some common foods that people cook. Vegetables and fruits are very important because they are full of vitamins and minerals. Meat like chicken, beef, and fish provides protein, which is essential for our health. Grains such as rice, bread, and pasta give us energy. Don't forget dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt, which are good for our bones. When we cook, we often use different herbs and spices to add flavor to our food. Herbs like basil, mint, and cilantro can make a dish taste fresh. Spices such as pepper, cinnamon, and curry powder can make it spicy or sweet. Learning how to use these can turn a simple meal into something special. Cooking can also be a way to explore other cultures. Every country has its own traditional dishes. For example, in Italy, people love pasta and pizza. In Mexico, tacos and burritos are very popular. Trying recipes from different countries can be a fun adventure. You might discover your new favorite food. Let's not forget about baking. Baking is a cooking method where you cook food in the oven without adding oil or fat. People usually bake things like bread, cakes, and cookies. Baking requires following a recipe closely because the amounts of ingredients need to be exact. But the result is often very delicious and worth the effort. Now, a few tips for beginners in cooking. First, always read the recipe all the way through before you start. This will help you understand what you need to do and make sure you have all the ingredients. Second, keep your cooking space clean and organized. This will make cooking easier and safer. Lastly, don't be afraid to try new things. Cooking is about experimentation and learning from mistakes. Remember, cooking is not just about feeding ourselves. It's an art and a way to express creativity. It's also a fantastic activity to do with friends and family, creating memories that last a lifetime. Congratulations, you just finished an English listening lesson. In the description, you can find key words from the video. You can practice them in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel to work on English together. Have a good day and take care of yourself.